Google Pixel not turning on? Try to boot your phone into the recovery mode. Booting your Pixel into the recovery mode will sort of disable the Android interface and run the phone on its bare bones. If it's a firmware issue that caused the phone to not power up, then it should be able to boot up in recovery mode. Here's how you start it up in this mode. If your device is on, turn it off. Press and hold the volume down button. While holding volume down, press and hold the power button until the phone turns on. You'll see the word start with an arrow around it. Press the volume down button until you highlight recovery mode. Press the power button to start recovery mode. You'll see an image of an Android robot with an exclamation mark. You may also see no command. If successful, you may want to proceed with the master reset to bring the phone back to its original configuration or settings that work. Press and hold the power button. While holding power, press the volume up button once. Then release the power button. If Wipe Data/Factory Reset isn't highlighted, press the volume down button until it is. Then press the power button to select it. Press the volume down button until you highlight yes, or yes, delete all user data. Then press the power button to select it. After the reset is complete, press the power button to select Reboot System Now. When you're done, restore your data. If your Pixel phone is still not turning on after this procedure, then you have no other option but to seek assistance. Thanks a lot for watching. Do let us know if this helped in the comments below. Also give us a thumbs up and subscribe for daily tips and tricks.